everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up the March Splendies. So this is a panty subscription. You get 3 panties every single month and it is $14.99 to $16.99 depending on what size you are, and you can get your first month for 50% off. So I will link Splendies down below. They do generally suggest that you size up one size, but you can see what their guides are and their measuring and all of that on their website down below. They also have a shop where you can just shop individual panties too. So yeah, let's get started. I forgot to mention first, you can choose between like what style or if you want a surprise variety. So you can choose like all like brief or like regular underwear, all thongs, or surprise variety. I am kindly sent this free for review, but it is not sponsored or anything like that. And they usually send me a surprise variety, but sometimes they switch it up. So I haven't opened it yet, so we will see. But hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here on our channel at 5 p.m. Eastern time. I really hope you consider subscribing and sticking around if you love them too. Unboxings, that is, and subscriptions. They always have their panties in, I don't know why, sometimes when I say panties I like giggle. I know some people get triggered by that word, but if I'm giggling, that's why I'm amateur 13-year-old boy at heart. But anyways, I don't know what I was about to say because the prints are so cute. They always go with like the season or the holiday, and this is definitely spring. Oh my gosh. You guys have to let me know if you're panty twins because I can already tell just right off the bat. These are so pretty, well coordinated, and I love the print. Let's start with the one that just made me want to squeal the loudest. This is a thong and it has flowers on it. This is so pretty and spring-like. Oh my god, and it seems so comfy. And this is Splendies brand. Normally we get Splendies brand, but sometimes we'll get another brand. Like Wilshire something, I don't know, but I've been getting Splendies for a long time and I love their panties, especially the ones that are cut like this. Oh my god, so comfy. It has like a scallop trim. And then we have a full back panty that is paisley print and like a light purple and spring colors. Super cute. Again, Splendies brand. I think these are all Splendies brand, yes. I find in the surprise variety you typically get 1 thong and 2 briefs, but again, they could switch it up. So this one's like a cheeky, like indigo, or like, well, not indigo, I don't know, blue or purple. What does this look like to you? Because at first I thought it looked purple and now I think it looks like blue, but it doesn't really matter. It's super cute, that's what matters. I love this pair too. So this is like sexy and comfy, and here's what the back looks like. So teeny tiny bit sheer, not really. So the front has this like lacy detail on the side, little bow. Oh my god, super cute. I love all of them this month so much. Like these are all 3 I will definitely wear, but I just love the print on this pair the most. It's just so cute, but I like all of them. So that was everything for my Splendies. Again, let me know, are we panty twins? God, I'm giggling again about that. But thank you guys again for being here. I'm so grateful for each and every single one of you. Again, if you haven't yet subscribed, I hope you consider doing so. And just a reminder, everyone, if you want to check to make sure you're still subscribed, because you know YouTube does that sometimes. I don't want you to miss out on the monthly giveaway where I pick 1 subscriber at random for a free big baggie of goods. Any subscriber, no matter where you live, is qualified to enter. So good luck, and I hope you guys are well. Thanks again for being here. I will see you tomorrow. I love you. Bye.